In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a column in Google Sheets. Locking specific columns can be incredibly useful when you're collaborating with others and want to prevent accidental changes or maintain data integrity. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by selecting the column you want to lock. This is the initial step when you want to protect certain data. Simply click on the letter at the top of the column you're interested in, and the entire column should become highlighted to indicate it's selected. Make sure you've got the correct column, as any changes we make next will apply specifically to this section. Next, head over to the menu at the top of your Google Sheets page. Look for the Data option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices, but for our purposes, you'll want to click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. This option is what allows us to set specific rules on who can edit particular parts of our spreadsheet. After selecting this option, a panel will open up on the right side of your screen. Here you'll be prompted to add a description. While this step is optional, it's a good idea to add something descriptive related to the lock you're applying. This could be useful for future reference, or for any collaborators who might need to understand why the column is protected. Once you've added a description, or decided to skip it, go ahead and click on Set Permissions. This is where you can define exactly how the lock will function. In this section, you have a couple of options. You can choose to simply display a warning before any changes are made to the column, which serves as a gentle reminder to users. Alternatively, you could set permissions so that only specific people can edit the selected column. This choice gives you more control over your data and ensures that only authorized users can make changes. After deciding on the permissions setup that best suits your needs, simply click Done. And just like that, the column you selected is now locked according to your specifications. This straightforward approach ensures your data remains safe while still allowing flexibility in collaboration. There you have it. By following these steps, you can easily lock a column in Google Sheets, ensuring your data stays protected from unwanted edits. This feature is especially handy for shared documents, where maintaining consistency and data accuracy is crucial. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.